This won't be a very long video. We're just going to change this here air filter on this Mercedes GLK series. So if you have a GLK, you need to change the air filter. This one's the diesel powered one. So just follow along. Shouldn't be hard. There's one screw here, and it's not really a screw. It's you turn it like a half a turn, not even like, yeah, about half a turn, quarter turn. You'll feel it will click, and then it just pops right off. Oh, my bad. It slides off this way. So if you look right here, that side must be broken already because it doesn't slide. But it just slides off. It's got a little doohickey here. Slides straight forward. They play tricks on you with these cars. These are Torx, T25 Torx. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's one under here somewhere. Yep, 5, 6. So there's 6 of these. Great thing about Mercedes, they got a lot of room on the front. At least this one. Just stick parts and tools, and gotta take all 6 of these out. They got a trick one right in here. I can barely see it. Make sure you take that one out. And there she be. Alright. And that one that we just took out actually goes through the center of the filter as well. So then you gotta just pick it up. You gotta work it off of. There we go. It's got a little seal right here. So you gotta make sure you seal that on the spout in there. This one doesn't even look bad. I mean, really, if this was my car, I wouldn't even change that, but my wife's super meticulous about such things, so she's changing it, but that's not bad at all. Now with the new one, it's got a cover, and there is an upside down on this. This is the top. It doesn't say top or bottom, but this is that hole we were just talking about that you have to screw in. Now if you got somebody to hold the computer out of the way, it's helpful, but just kind of take your new one and work it on there. There we go. The top cover. Now you notice all this caca goes with it, right? So don't be afraid. It's not going to hurt nothing. And just kind of get this center in. So that's tightened down. Don't over tighten these. Remember, it's in plastic, so if you over tighten it, it's not going to work so good. But now we got to slide these back in. This one's broken, unfortunately. Yours hopefully will not be. And then you'll slide these in. Remember, I showed you a little bit earlier. I'm going to slide that in. Going to line it up. There we go. And now there's another pin here. Don't forget, we got our little screw here too. So just kind of line it up with your oil hole. Push these down on there. Get your little screw deal going on here. You'll feel it go in when it goes in. You gotta wiggle it a little until you, there we go. Give it a half turn. Yeah, come on, half turn. You let it go in. There we go. That should do it. Well, evidently this is a little worn out too. There you go. You'll feel it go in. You'll feel it click. There we go. Alright, and that's it. There you go, simple as pie. If this helped you out, do me a favor, subscribe, hit the like button, tell your friends. See ya.